Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
I'm Tom. If you're new here, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Today we are talking about something you do every single day.
Every single day? What is it, Lily?
Your daily routine. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, all of it in English.
Oh, yes, and today we have something extra special, shadowing practice.
Shadowing means you listen to us and then you repeat, just like a shadow follows you everywhere.
Exactly. You copy us. Don't be shy. Say the words out loud. Your neighbors will think you are studying very hard.
Or they will think you are talking to yourself.
Both are fine. Both are very fine.
Okay, before we start, we have a question for you.
Yes, here's your question for today.
Okay, what time do you wake up every morning?
Write your answer in the comments right now. Do you wake up early or do you wake up late?
Tom wakes up very late. I know this for a fact.
Lily. That is true. I wake up late, but I am working on it.
Write your wake-up time in the comments. We want to know. And at the end of the video, we will come back to this question. Stay with us. Okay, Tom, let's show our viewers a morning conversation. A real one, like two friends talking.
Perfect. Let's go. Good morning, Lily. How are you today?
Good morning, Tom. I'm a little tired. I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning.
6 o'clock? That is so early. What did you do?
I made coffee first, then I took a shower, then I had breakfast.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Eggs and toast. Very healthy.
I had cereal from the box, standing in the kitchen.
Tom, you did not sit down?
I was late. I had to go to work quickly.
Tom, you really need a better morning routine.
I know. Maybe tomorrow.
He says that every day. Okay, did you hear that conversation? Very natural, right?
Now let's talk about grammar. Don't worry, it is easy today.
When we talk about our daily routine, we use the simple present tense.
Simple present. We use it for things we do every day, things that happen again and again.
For example, I wake up at 7. She eats breakfast. He goes to work.
See the pattern? I wake up. She wakes up. He wakes up.
With he and she, we add an S at the end.
I wake up, but she wakes up. I go, but he goes.
That little S is very important. Do not forget it.
I forget it sometimes.
Tom?
I'm joking. I never forget it. Usually.
Now let's learn the vocabulary. The words for your daily routine.
We have many great words for you today, and we have some stories too.
Stories make words easy to remember. Are you ready?
Let's go.
The first word is wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping, to open your eyes in the morning.
For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. She wakes up early.
Tom, tell us your wake-up story.
Okay. So last Monday, my alarm went off at 7. I heard it. I turned it off. And then I woke up at 9:30.
9:30, Tom!
I was very late for work. My boss called me. It was not a good morning.
So please do not copy Tom's morning. Wake up on time.
Please learn from my mistakes.
Our next word is get dressed. Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
For example, I get dressed after my shower. He gets dressed quickly.
I have a story about this one. One day I got dressed very fast because I was late. I wore 2 different shoes, one black, one brown.
Oh no!
I went to work like that.
Nobody said anything for 3 hours?
My coworker finally said, very quietly, "Lily, your shoes." I wanted to hide under my desk.
So the lesson is, after you get dressed, check your shoes.
Yes, always check your shoes.
Next, have breakfast. This means to eat your morning meal.
For example, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. She has breakfast with her family.
I want to share something. I started having breakfast every morning last month. Real breakfast. Eggs, fruit, everything.
Tom, that is amazing. What happened?
I have more energy. I am less tired in the mornings. Breakfast really helps.
Do you have breakfast every morning? It is very important for your energy and your brain.
Have breakfast, everyone. Your body needs it.
Our next word is commute. To commute means to travel from your home to work or school.
For example, I commute by bus. She commutes to work every day. My commute takes 30 minutes.
I have a story. My commute is 1 hour. 1 hour on the train.
What do you do on the train?
I listen to English podcasts. I practice my English during my commute.
Oh, that is a great idea.
You can do the same thing. Use your commute time to practice English. Listen to us on your way to work.
Yes, take us with you on your commute. Next word, take a break. This means to stop working for a short time, to rest.
For example, I take a break at noon. Let's take a 5-minute break.
This is my favorite part of the workday.
Of course it is.
At my office, I take a break at 11. I get coffee, I sit by the window, I look outside. It is my favorite 15 minutes of the day.
Aw, that sounds really nice, Tom.
Taking breaks is important. It helps your brain. It helps you focus again after you rest.
So please, take a break when you need one. Even now, if you want to pause this video and practice, take a break. We will be here. Next, finish work. This means to complete your work for the day and leave.
For example, I finish work at 5 o'clock. She finishes work early on Fridays.
Friday finish time is the best finish time.
Agreed, 100%.
I have a friend. Every day, she finishes work at exactly 5 o'clock. Not 5:01, 5:00. She puts on her coat at 4:59.
She is very disciplined.
She says work time is work time, and her time is her time. I respect that so much.
What time do you finish work? Tell us in the comments. And our last vocabulary word is relax. Relax means to rest, to do something you enjoy, to feel calm.
For example, I relax after dinner. He relaxes by watching TV. On Sundays, I just relax.
How do you relax, Lily?
I read books. I make tea. I sit in my favorite chair. It is very peaceful.
That sounds wonderful.
How about you, Tom?
I play video games for maybe too long.
How long is too long?
Sometimes 3 hours.
Tom?
I relax very well. I am very good at relaxing.
Okay, now it is your turn. This is the shadowing section.
Listen to us say each word in sentence. Then you repeat. Out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready? Here we go.
Word 1. Wake up.
Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you say it. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great job. Word 2. Get dressed.
Get dressed. I get dressed after my shower. Say it with us. Get dressed. I get dressed after my shower.
Word 3. Have breakfast.
Have breakfast. I have breakfast every morning. Repeat. Have breakfast. I have breakfast every morning.
Word 4. Commute.
Commute. I commute by bus. Say it. Commute. I commute by bus.
Word 5. Take a break.
Take a break. I take a break at noon. Repeat. Take a break. I take a break at noon.
Word 6. Finish work.
Finish work. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Say it out loud. Finish work. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
And word 7. Relax.
Relax. I relax after dinner. One more time. Relax. I relax after dinner.
Amazing! You just practiced all 7 words.
Now let's do one more shadowing exercise, a full conversation. Listen first, then we do it again, and you join in.
Good morning. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7. Then I got dressed and had breakfast.
How do you commute to work?
I commute by train. It takes about 30 minutes.
Do you take a break at work?
Yes, I take a break at noon. I have lunch and relax a little.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5. Then I go home and relax.
Okay, now round 2. Say it with us. Repeat every line after you hear it. Good morning. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7. Then I got dressed and had breakfast.
How do you commute to work?
I commute by train. It takes about 30 minutes.
Do you take a break at work?
Yes, I take a break at noon. I have lunch and relax a little.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5. Then I go home and relax.
That was fantastic.
You are doing so well. Every time you speak out loud, your English gets stronger. Trust the process.
Okay, let's do a quick review. What did we learn today?
We learned 7 words for your daily routine.
Wake up, get dressed, have breakfast, commute, take a break, finish work, relax.
And we learned the simple present tense. We use it for things we do every day.
Remember, with he and she, add an S. She wakes up. He finishes work.
And we practiced shadowing. That is one of the best ways to improve your speaking.
If you say the words out loud, your mouth learns the sounds. Your brain learns the rhythm of English.
So practice every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Little by little, you will get better.
Now, remember the question from the beginning of the video?
We asked, what time do you wake up every morning?
Did you write your answer in the comments? I hope so.
And Tom, what time do you wake up?
Okay. Honestly, I wake up at 8:30, sometimes 9.
Tom!
I work better in the evenings. That is just who I am.
What about you, our viewers? Are you an early bird like me or a late sleeper like Tom? Write your time in the comments.
There is no wrong answer. Every schedule is different. What matters is that you have a routine that works for you.
Here in your challenge for today, write one sentence in the comments about your daily routine.
You can write something like, I wake up at 6 and have breakfast at 7.
Or, I commute by bus. It takes 45 minutes.
Any sentence. We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy to see you practicing your English.
We read every comment, every single one.
Before we go, if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you want to learn English every day, subscribe to Daily English Talk. We upload a new lesson every single day just for you.
Every day, a new lesson. Every day, a little more English. You can do this.
We are so proud of you for being here and practicing today. You are amazing.
Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Practice every day.
And we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Keep going. You've got this.